I think it's a baby turtle.
नहीं आंटी ये painted turtle है.
कौन सा टर्टल है?
Painted turtle I think.
वाओ.
Painted turtle.
हाँ दिख रहा है सार्थक क्लियर.
Painted.
Painted turtle?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
This I think these are vultures.
Vultures?
हाँ vultures हैं.
Vultures हैं?
Yeah.
एक ही है राइट?
दो.
नहीं वो पीछे तो कुछ छत टूटी हुई है क्या?
Oh okay. One vulture.
टूटा हुआ छत.
एक ही है ये उड़ गया. गुड. हाँ.
जाओ. Stop कर दो कार भाग जाएगा.
Oh, they went back.
गिलेमोट? रेड बीक है?
हाँ, red beak.
ये तो क्या फुट चले जा रहे हैं देखो.
Papa, can I have your phone?
वेट.
अरे कैसे जा रहे हैं? ऐसे लग रहा है इनसे स्विमिंग सीख लो.
क्या था सार्थक के नाम क्या था? गिलेमोट. ये डक है?
Kind of. It's a cormorant.
Yeah.
It's not spreading its wings though.
That's fine.
Yeah.
But what happens when it spread wings?
Oh, it's trying to either dry or impress a female.
Good.
Alligator number 1.
Number 1. Hello, Mr. Alligator.
Is there 2 or is there 1?
One.
I think there is one.
No, one.
वो कौन छोटा-छोटा
हाँ, करते रहते हैं मम्मा कभी-कभी. This is alligator number 2.
Cormorant is relaxing in a beautiful setting. Cormorant.
What is it?
I saw a bird, the same bird flying in.
Beautiful.
Go into the water.
Yeah.
It's a black heron.
The blue beak one?
Yeah. Next to Guillemot.
Wow.
The black heron eats.
Black heron.
I found that one too.
देख एली कितना मोटा एलिगेटर है.
Oh my god, it's huge.
ये है तगड़ा. Beautiful.
You don't need the password for the camera.
I don't have face ID.
Nice.
No, but you don't need to unlock it.
Just swap left side.
भालू स्पॉटर ने ढूंढा है एलिगेटर.
Number 4.
एलिगेटर नंबर 4. Fluffy and cute. ये ना एलिगेटर से खा रहे हैं.
इनका क्या नाम है सार्थक? वाइट बीक?
American coots.
कूप्स.
Coot. C-O-O-T.
अमेरिकन कूट्स.
अमेरिकन.
ग्रेट ब्लू हेरॉन.
ये उड़ेगा जा.
वाओ ब्यूटीफुल.
Okay, Mr. Longlegs.
It's a walk.
वाओ.
Good job.
He's digging himself inside to prevent from wind.
वाओ.
बनाने के लिए.
I guess.
Nice. Beautiful.
That thing's probably taller than me. I think I'll cut you in half.
वो ग्रुप है उनका घर. Bye bye.
I think.
वो ग्रुप में कितने अच्छे हैं ना देखो.
Oh my god, the group is doing about to record.
हो रहा रिकॉर्ड. Do the furfurs. Very good.
Yeah.
Chain reaction of furfurs.
Dadu, this is where Dadu Eater was. Twice.
Super.
यही आगे जा रहा है.
Oh, it's such a baby. It's so cute.
Baby alligator.
Hi there, little baby.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्माइल कर रहा है.
Does this count as alligator 4.5 or? Yeah. What do I count this as?
5.
5. Okay. It's so cute. Just sitting there, sleeping.
Everyone. Different kind of pose.
Alligator number 6.
6.
Woohoo!
Oh, we need to move that.
Cute लग रहा है ना.
Should I move it? Someone has to get out of the car and move it.
You need to go up.
नहीं
No.
ज़्यादा मत करो डरना चाहिए.
It's gonna take its sweet time and then someone's gonna run it over.
No.
Move, turtle.
Everyone will stop it.
Yeah, but not everyone will do that.
वो समझ बताओ पीछे.
Why is it just sitting there? Come on, move.
Zoom in.
I literally have something.
छोटे बेबी कितना प्यारा है. मेरे फोन में
There you go.
फिर से चला.
Start moving. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you.
move.
Come on. I believe in you. You're almost
कंधों
there.
से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं.
Really, Papa?
It's in the middle of the road now.
Yes.
Come on, you can do this. You know, you won't get squished. Just
Actually, this is the highest.
yeah, but we're not moving. So
somebody comes in from the other direction.
Okay, really don't get my hopes up.
ये पता क्यों आया है?
Stop moving, stop moving.
Stop moving, you're gonna squish it. Come on, you're almost there. It's been 1 minute, hurry up.
ये पता क्यों आया मैक?
Hmm.
क्योंकि तूने चाबी के छल्ले में कछुआ बांधा है.
Oh, what now?
ये डिटेक्ट कर लिया.
So cute. Can you move?
गया कि नहीं गया?
No, he's still there on the road.
है बेबी है.
I'm
बट
recording.
निकल जाएगा.
You
तू
can
जा.
go. You can go now. Just go to the complete edge.
Bye bye.
Another painted turtle.
Bye,
Oh, it's hiding in its shell.
करना.
Ah, there you go. I can see it. Ah, so cute. Can't see it that well, but yes, there.
She's scared.
So
जाओ माजी पीछे रह जाओ.
she's not gonna fall on there like a Bollywood movie. It's okay.
So number 7.
Is it number 7 or number 8?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Daily.
Is he flying backwards? No, Baba.
एलिगेटर की दुनिया है ये.
एक ये है ना, इधर ये रहा, ये रहा, एक ये रहा, ये रहा, ये
इधर.
रहा,
Two of them.
ये रहा, ये रहा, ये
Oh, two of them.
ये रहा. 9, 10.
There's
वो
two of
रहा.
them.
ढूंढ लिया.
Daddy, but 9, 10 to the movie.
There's two. Whatever.
2 है, एक वो भी होता है.
ये है नंबर 9.
Number 9 and 10.
10 वो
10 किधर है?
वो रहा, वो रहा,
In the corner. In the
में.
corner.
वो देखो इसके पीछे का बैग दिख रहा है. बहुत स्मॉल सी बैग दिख रही है.
ठीक है नंबर 10.
Wow. Okay, come on, show your body. I don't want to see your face.
Zoom in.
Wow, this is beautiful. Love it.
It's called a pose.
Woohoo.
22.
Wow.
Another alligator. This is number 12.
Looks a bit small.
Zoom कर.
I have like the 15x.
Then it's fine.
It's huge. Also kind of small. I can't explain it.
आ रहा है अपनी साइड ही आ रहा है.
Wow.
Crosswind.
Beautiful.
See, he's holding. He's
Oh, he's
fish,
holding
fish.
the fish.
Wow. आया?
हाँ आ गया.
इधर इतने एलिगेटर नहीं है, वो वाले में थे, पानी वाले में.
Holding a fish. पास में देखो.
But it's over there. Just
Right
little snout.
there.
See it?
I know.
Sarthak, you can see.
You can just see its head. Just sit in
And
there.
then
Number 16.
16.
15 or 16?
15.
15.
15.
पहले भी 15 था यार. तुम लोग आपस में लड़ लो.
अरे 16th हो गया बस.
16.
16.
That's it.
I think there is one there, Ellie. But your side, that side.
Alligator?
Another one.
बना एलिगेटर.
Number 19. Really visible. Alligator number 20. Right there. Oh my god, it's huge. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, very big.
Wait.
Ah, this was huge.
21.
Number 21. This one just like sitting there.
अभी जैसे कूद के पहुंचेगा.
This
I
was
think it's about to attack something.
कर रहे हो तो.
Wow.
And here comes number 22. Woohoo! Here comes number 23, 24 and 25. Woohoo!
24 का गया.
Number 24.
ये तो कैसे हो जाएगा?
This one looks white.
Great egret.
great.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Woo!
GG. Great. GE. 25.
It's coming out.
Oh, it's coming out. Come on. Number 26. This one's like pretty big. Is it gonna come out? It's just sitting there.
Side बहुत ऐसे दिखता है ना.
Oh, it's just staring at the camera.
हाँ, yeah.
It's staring at the camera. I did.
उससे भी देख रहे हैं। हाँ देखो
साइड
देखो
देखना शुरू
देखिए
Oh my god, this is actually a really good video.
यस यू कैन डू इट
You gonna move or you gonna just sit there?
ब्यूटीफुल। ये सबसे क्लियर एलिगेटर है आज तक का इस दुनिया का।
Oh, wow, it's huge.
28. Record 28 and then you can go back to 27.
Is this 27 or 28?
27. Go back.
27 and then there's 28. Where is it? Over there. It's swimming.
वाओ
So cute.
And now go back to 27.
Yeah, I know how to record a video. Is it gonna move? Come on, move.
There is one more. You can see the face there.
Oh yeah, 20.
I'm blind. Where?
28. Only the face.
Oh, there it is. The face.
29.
29. We're almost at 30. Found number 30. Where is it? Number 30.
एलिगेटर का वो है ये साम्राज्य।
That is in fact an animal. An animal that can crush you.
What a nice way of introducing. Is it going into the water or is it?
स्टिल
क्रोकोडाइल और एलिगेटर में कौन ज्यादा शक्तिशाली?
It's there.
31.
Yeah, got it. कोई कोई
It's
तो रेट करना ही
32.
पड़ेगा, सुंदर बना देगा इतनी बड़ी।
Actually 33, but we counted as 32.
It's okay. We can forget to count sometimes.
Babies!
There's babies?
There's babies!
Aww.
It has babies, the little stripy things.
Aww.
This is 33 and 34.
इनको तो हमने वही कर
35. Woohoo!
Right there. Alligator number 36. It's moving a lot.
37. No, yeah, 37.
Number 37. Woohoo! Number 38. Woohoo!
Oh wow, it's moving! Ah!
And it's in the water.
Almost. It's 41. Go in there.
नंबर 40
40. Oh, I can see its head still.
हेड नहीं टेल
Background music is definitely helping.
And here comes 41.
ये पीछे बैठा है इसके उधर के फोटो खिंचाएंगे तो इतने में ये थक जाएगा
नहीं नहीं ये नहीं भागते कहीं।
Make it possible